How to fix my Roku TV stuck in recovery mode? Very simply within some seconds. If you're using it on your any device like on your TV, on your laptop or anything, you can follow the same steps. To fix any application or anything of any platform on your PC or on your TV, the first thing is check the network connection. I'm checking my Wi-Fi connection right now. You simply have to switch off your Wi-Fi and then you have to turn it on again and then connect to the internet again after refreshing your PC. Next thing is go on the start button of your TV or of your laptop, and from here you can restart it while clicking on the restart button. The third option, if you're using it on your PC, then you can run this run profile on your home screen and it will refresh your whole PC in some seconds. After this process, you can try opening Roku TV again and this time it will work for sure. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching.